Hi, I'm John Rothery. I'm an osteopath in a very privileged position that when I see a player that's injured, I also use my psychotherapy training that has allowed me to help with the emotional responses to injury, especially in professional football. When the athlete presents to you, who's an elite athlete, they often present with the following emotions. Sadness, some players feel sad they're injured or slightly isolated. They definitely can be irritable, which is their mood change. They sometimes lack motivation to get back on the pitch. They're frustrated. They often demonstrate anger and then appetite suppression that can affect their food intake. Sleep often is affected and they can be disengaged from the rest of the group. So some of the strategies we've come up with at Rothery Health to help with that is, number one, we encourage you as a professional footballer to speak to your physiotherapist, osteopath or chiropractor at your club and find exactly what your diagnosis is. So for example, if it's a knee ligament strain, meniscus, Achilles rupture, if it's a shoulder issue, find out exactly what it is. And then prognosis, how long will it take to recover and what to expect. Ask your therapist what your treatment options are. Obviously, whether it's ultrasound, acupuncture, soft tissue, manipulation, strengthening, and also that'll allow you to gain control and confidence. Secondly, obviously we encourage our athletes not to just to focus on the injury, but to focus on their injury and not on their performance. Try and maintain a positive attitude and surround yourself with positive people. Self-talk is important, that what you think in your head becomes your action. So if you're positive with yourself, that'll help. Goal setting is key, and the use of imagery like we've done in the videos prior to help the body to get its maximum recovery. Surround yourself with positive people, we said before, and also see it as an opportunity to improve your fitness that you might have neglected in the past. So you might have neglected strength training, upper body, flexibility, dynamics, PNFs. So these are things you could do to improve your recovery from an emotional injury. Thank you. We've been talking about injuries in the previous videos. So often with pain management, we can use visualization to help the athlete recover. So I'm going to demonstrate with Joe here, as a professional goalkeeper who's had a surgery to his wrist, which has affected his whole sort of confidence and performance and pain as well. So we're going to give you some strategies to deal with that. You okay? Do you want to just take a nice deep breath in then, Joe, and just close your eyes? Now exhale that breath. And allow your eyes to close and just allow yourself to relax. Because one of the effects of visualization is that wonderful feeling of physical and mental relaxation. I want you to imagine a dial in front of you, quite similar to a volume dial you might find on a CD player or radio. Just imagine in front of you a dial which has 10 numbers going round, 1 to 10. And at the top of the dial, in your mind's eye, you notice the word relax. And now I want you to imagine in your mind's eye, moving the dial which is set to number 10, the highest setting as you see it now. Turn it to number 9. And as you do that, imagine every muscle in your body, every nerve, every fibre simply relaxing more and more. Almost like every number on your dial doubles the level of your relaxation. And now in your mind's eye, move the dial from number 8 to number 7. And as you do that, every muscle in your body, every nerve, and every fibre relaxes more and more. And again, imagine now turning that dial from number 6 to number 5. Your level of relaxation doubles again. And again, Joe, imagine in your mind's eye, turning that dial, that relaxation dial from number 5 to 4. And as you turn that dial, every muscle, every nerve, and every fibre relaxing more and more. Joe, imagine turning the dial from number 4 to number 3, drifting deeper, deeper, relaxed. Once again, imagine turning the dial from 3 all the way down to 2, relaxing more and more. Now imagine in your mind's eye turning the dial from 2 all the way down to 1. More and more relaxed, more and more calm, drifting deeper and deeper into this wonderful relaxing state of physical and mental relaxation. And again, imagine turning the dial down from 1 to 0. More relaxed now, calmer, drifting deeper and deeper into this wonderful, relaxing state. I want you to imagine another dial now, Joe, inside your mind. This dial goes from number 10 all the way down to the 1. And on the top of the word, the dial, it says discomfort. Because in your life, you've been experiencing pain and discomfort. And in a few moments, I'm going to get you to imagine turning down your discomfort down, reaching your optimum comfort level with each turn down. So in a few moments, I want you to notice where you're feeling discomfort, Joe, and put your attention onto that place, perhaps your wrist. Imagine in your mind's eye, looking at the dial and noticing where the number is at. So if the number of the dial is 6, imagine turning it down now to 5. And as you do that, notice how the muscles, especially around the wrist, the fingers and the forearms relax so much more. And from this moment on, if there's any time you're feeling discomfort in any way, all you need to do in your mind's eye, imagine turning the dial down. Each number, simply relaxing the muscles in that particular area. You can see and feel how good is it to be able to control your relaxation and pain every time you need to. All you have to do is relax, close your eyes, begin breathing calmly, allowing each exhale of breath to relax you more and more. Then imagine the 2 dials in front of you, one with the label relax and one with the label discomfort, knowing that you can use these dials again and again to help with you relax and gain comfort. Enjoy that feeling now and bring it back with you, those positive in control feelings that you have. Allow the positive feelings of relaxation and comfort to fill you with positive and calm emotions, preparing you to take control and manage your pain and discomfort levels by using these 2 dials. And in a few moments, Joe, we're going to count from 1 to 5. When I reach 5, you'll feel energized and relaxed. And the count is 1, beginning to respond. The count is 2, coming up slowly. The count is 3, feeling energy flowing through your body, especially your wrist. And 4, energized, more relaxed, and less discomfort than ever before. And the count is 5, eyes open, wide awake. Welcome back.